So, good day, sir. So, today I will discuss my topic, the partitioning and disk formatting. So, disk management and F-disk and G-parted. So, what is disk partitioning? Disk partitioning is a process of dividing a hard drive or SSD into separate sections called partitions. Each partition can be used as an independent storage area. For example, one of the operating system, one for files and or documents, and one for backup or recovery. So we all know that partitioning is not new to us because we experienced this through katong nga tag TESDA. Then ang ganing partitioning is part pod siya sa atong kuan nga pag-assessment nga kuan nga if may kuan ta o ganang mga kanang, so for example natay 500 GB, so imo siyang i-partition og 70/30. Ang ganang 70 is for our personal use, then ang 30 is for our school. And then next is what is disk formatting? So formatting prepares a partition for use by creating file system like in NTFS, FAT32, or and AXT4. This defines how data stored, accessed, and managed on the disk. So naitulog ka common files just like Windows na NTFS, FAT32, and EXFAT. Nga sa Linux pod is ext4, exfs, and btrfs. And sa Mac OS pod is apfs and hfs plus. So this partitioning is a process of dividing a physical hard drive into separate sections called partitions. So each can function as independent storage area. This helps in organizing data, installing multiple operating systems, and improving system management. And disk formatting is a process of preparing a partition for use by creating a file system like NTFS, FAT32, or ext4 that allows operating systems to read and write data to the disk. Just like sa akong gisulti ganiha. So, ingatuon siya. Then, natay tools para sa partitioning and formatting. So, kung disk management sa Windows kay a built-in graphical tools used to create, delete, and format partitions easily through a user-friendly interface. Then sa Fdisk pod sa Linux command line is a command line utility that allows advanced user to manually create and modify disk partitions. And sa Gparted sa Linux na GUI is a graphical partitions editor that makes easy to create, resize, and format partitions visually in Linux systems. So, partitioning organizes a disk into usable sections. Formatting prepares those sections for data storage, and disk management, Fdisk, and Gparted are key tools for performing these tasks across the operating systems. So, sa disk management tools is kanang sa Windows kay disk management as a built Windows utility that lets you view, create, delete, and format partitions. So unsaon pag open, so imo i-press ang window plus X nya i-choose nimo ang disk nga management, or pwede ra mo imo siya i-type through this disk yung gmt.mcs, then imo siya press enter para mo run. Then ang function niya is create or delete partitions, then shrink or extends volumes, then format drives in TFS or FAT32, and then assign drive letters. So ang steps niya ni sa kuan kay example nimo is mag-create kag partition. So imo siya i-right click yan on allocated space, then click new simple volume, then choose the size niya, assign letter, then choose file system. Siya mao ni siya kani siya. Then ang i-click nimo ang finish. Then sa arita sa Fdisk nga Linux command line tool. So ang Fdisk is a command line utility in Linux for managing disk partition. So ang steps niya is para mukuan siya is open terminal, then type, then sudo fdisk -1, then imo ko ano ng list all disk and partitions, then select disk ya sudo fdisk /dev/hda. Then inside ana sa fdisk kay naa siya ang in create new partitions, D delete partitions, then P, print partitions table, then W is for write, changes, and exit. Example, sudo if desk slash d dev, then L slash is db. Then imo siya in press N, nya P, then L, then enter, yeah, enter po W. So, mo na siya ang new partition created sa on dev and is slash is db1. Then, so, sa arita sa Gparted sa Graphical Linux Tools. So, ang Gparted is a genome partitions editor is a GUI tool for Linux, also available in live boot form. So, unsaon siya paggamit? Mo siya install, sudo apt install Gparted, then run, sudo Gparted, choose your disk. Example, slash d dev and slash hda. So, mo na siya. You can create, delete, resize, or formatting partitions. Pwede mo siya mag-change of files. Then, apply na po siya sa kuan. All changes after reviewing them. Na po siya yung mga advantages. So, user-friendly siya interface. Then, kuan po siya safe for beginners. Then, visual representations for partitions. Nya, kani, mo na kong example katong gingon ako ganiha sa disk management. Then, mo ni siya yung dito makita nyo example new sample volume. So mo ni siya makita kani nara dira ko mga pangsulti. So that's all, sir. Thank you.